Here's the PPT of semantics, which is the study of meaning of language, which be presented by me, Gabriel Zefanya. This is the overview of the PPT. So the first one, I'm going to present about the introduction first. So what is semantics? Semantics is the study of meaning in language. Semantics deals with literal meaning of words and the meaning of the way they are combined. What is the importance of learning semantics? The importance is semantics is essential for effective communication. It clarifies meanings, facilitates interpretation, and enhances discourse analysis. It supports language development, informs natural language processing, and rich linguistic and social context, making it vital across various fields of study. Next slide is types of meaning. The first meaning is denotative meaning. This refers to the literal dictionary definition of a word. It is the explicit meaning that is universally accepted. Number two is connotative meaning. This encompasses the emotional and associated meanings that a word carries beyond its denotative meaning. For example, the word home may evoke feelings of warmth and safety. Next is lexical meaning. This is the meaning derived from individual words, including their definition and relationships to other words. Next is grammatical meaning. This refers to the meaning conveyed through grammatical structures such as sense, expect, aspect, and mood, which can alter the interpretation of a sentence. Next is social meaning. This type of meaning reflects the implications of language used in social contexts, including factors like formality, politeness, and social status. And next is thematic meaning. This involves the underlying themes or message just conveyed through discourse, which can shape the interpretation of text or conversation. And the last one is cognitive meaning. This refers to how meanings are constructed in the mind, influenced by individual experiences, perception, and cognitive processes. Okay. Next slide is some terms and distinctions in semantics. Number one is lexical and grammatical meaning. Lexical or word meaning is the meaning of individual lexical items. There are two types. The open class lexical items such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, which can easily enumerate, selfie, Google, blogging, and the closed class items such as prepositions, conjunction, and determinants, which have a fixed start and do not capitalize enumerate, and but in the open class item express concept and actions, allowing for rich vocabulary expansion, while closed class items have grammatical functions linking words and phrases to create coherent sentences. Grammatical meaning reflects how sentence structure conveys meaning. For example, tense indicates timing, e.g. she was and she walked. While aspect shows the nature of an action. She is walking versus she has walked. Mood expresses attitude, e.g. if I were you, this I'm going home. Number differentiates singular and plural form, e.g. cat versus cats. These elements work together to create meaning and communication. Ini adalah contoh dari sebuah sentence yang punya lexical meaning dan grammatical meaning. So we're gonna identify lexical meaning and grammatical meaning of the sentence. The sentence is the dogs are barking loudly. Lexical meaning: dogs, plural noun, refers to multiple animals of the species. Barking, verb, describes the action the dogs are performing. Loudly, a verb, describes how the action is being performed. Grammatical meaning: tense, the verb are barking indicates present continuous tense, suggesting the action is currently happening. Number, the plural form dogs indicates that more than one dog is involved. And number two is sense relation. First one is homonym definition. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling or pronunciation but different meanings. For example, the word pet can refer to a flying mammal or a piece of sports equipment. Next is polysemy. Polysemy refers to a single word having multiple related meanings. For example, the word bank can mean the side of a river or a riverbank or a financial institution. These meanings are related through the concept of a place where something is stored. And the next one is synonymy. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings and can often be used interchangeably in certain contexts. For example, big and large are synonyms but compare similarity of size. And the last one is antonymy. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For example, hot and cold are antonyms representing opposite ends of a temperature spectrum. Ada dua antonym. Yang pertama adalah gradable antonyms, words that exist on a continuum, e.g. tall versus short. And number two, complementary antonyms, words that are mutually exclusive, e.g. life versus death. Next slide is theories of semantics. Number one, I have traditional approach. This approach focuses on the relationship between words and their reference in the real world. Ogden and Richard in 1923 introduced the semantic triangle, which illustrates the relationship between the word, the thought or concept it evokes, and the actual referent word. This approach has been foundational in the study of semantics, focusing on the denotative aspect of meaning. Number two, analytical or referential approach. Building on the traditional view, this theory emphasizes the logical structure of language and its connection to objects and states and affairs. Philosophers like French and Russell argue that meaning is tied to the referential function of language, addressing ambiguity and vagueness. The third one is functional approach. Influenced by Halliday, this approach views language as a social semiotic system, emphasizing the role of context in shaping meaning. It posits that meaning varies according to situational factors and highlights the dynamic nature of language in social interactions. And the last one is field theory of meaning, developed by G.R. Furr. This theory suggests that meaning is best understood through the relationship between words. Within a semantic field, words gain meaning through their associations with other words in specific contexts, emphasizing interconnectedness. These theories illustrate the complexity of meaning in language and contribute to our understanding of semantics. In conclusion, semantics is a crucial field of linguistics that explores the nature of meaning in language. It encompasses various dimensions, including lexical meaning, which deals with individual words and their definitions, and grammatical meaning, which focuses on how sentence structure conveys meaning. Key concepts such as sense and reference help clarify how language relates to the word, like sense relation, like homonymy, polysemy, synonym, and antonymy, illustrate the intricate connections between words. Several theories of semantics, including the traditional, analytical, functional, and field theories, provide diverse perspective on how meaning is constructed and understood in context. Overall, semantics plays a vital role in effective communication, enabling us to interpret